Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Middle-Aged Adventures. Rob and Diane here. We're going out camping for the weekend to make you guys some more content. So we've got Dunes in his Prado, we're meeting the other guys out there. So we'll come back to you when we get out there. At the moment the girls have just gone to the toilet. Oh, check out the new stickers, we're rocking the new stickers. There you go, rocking the new stickers. So yeah, we're out here, Danny's birthday weekend. Going for a bit of fun, few drinks, maybe a bit of walking. And there he is there, the big Dune! So yeah, we'll come back to you when we get out there. Rob and Diane from Middle-Aged Adventures. We're off camping.
Okay.
Hold it straight.
Okay. Alright everyone, we've reached our campsite.
You're on an angle.
Okay, Rob's telling me how to use this now.
You gotta learn.
Alright, so Rob's unpacking the car.
You make it look so awkward. If you hold it up there, you know it's going to be straight.
Alright.
Yes, right there.
Alright, here we go. Rob's unpacking the car.
Hi.
Okay?
Finally got here.
Alright, so this is our little, this is our campsite. This is our daughters. Here we are in Dwellingup. Is right near the river. Look at that. So cool. Okay. And the rest of them over there. It's a huge spot. We haven't got the van this time, but plenty of room for it when we do bring it. And we're going over there, near that tree over there. This will be very interesting. I'm just going to leave the campsite up to Rob to set up.
First time sleeping in a swag.
Yes, I've never slept in a swag before. I get a bit claustrophobic, so this is going to be very, very interesting, I think.
No different to a tent.
So,
It's no different to a tent.
this is Ollie. Hey, Ollie.
Hi. I like your new stand thing that you got.
I know.
You!
So the kids have got their bikes.
We're riding out the hill on a BMX bike. Well, I've got the only BMX bike here.
Look at that. Coming down here.
Yeah, I like how you set up.
Oops.
Oh, it's a new GoPro.
So this is the start of our long weekend.
I'm getting a bit warm.
The weather is actually beautiful.
It's supposed to be raining. I'm getting a bit warm.
It's supposed to be raining, but we've got blue sky, sun's
Last night
out.
it didn't rain, it was windy.
It's Actually beautiful weather at the moment. Hopefully, they reckon it's going to rain tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll see. Looks like more. There's the water. Oh, there's a nice little bit down there. Let's sit there. Okay, I better I think I'll come back to you after. I think I better help Rob.
We'll come back after. Once we get the campsite set up.
See you a bit later. See you a bit later on.
I'm gonna go set up camp. Look, look at Hey guys, welcome back. Rob here again from Middle Age Adventures. We've set up camp. We've been a little bit busy today. It's taken us a little bit to set up camp, and then we've been out looking for some firewood. Had a few drinks or two, a few shots, having a bit of a ball. This is our campsite setup, okay? We wanted to show you this. Diane's over by the fires, but we'll go over there in a minute. So basically this is, we got the King's gazebo going on here with the sidewalls. Our brand new swag, as you can see there. Probably not as much, so I'll just turn the light up. So there you go, that's our swag there. We got the awning cover off my car, covering that. And we got the sidewalls going up with the King's. Cheers, man. We got with the King's gazebo, and yeah, basically table. The King's 7-litre fridge. Love it. It's working great. My Wago blew up. And yeah, this is, we usually bring a caravan out to do this, but this will do us for the weekend, so it's pretty cool. I'll turn the light down a bit and take you out and show you the other campsites, and I'll talk a little bit more. So yeah, that's our campsite there. Car's sitting there. Toilet shower over there, as you can see. Don't know if I'm holding the camera straight, I can't see it. But yeah, so we've just got this swag a couple of weeks ago, so we're going to try and use the swag and see how that goes. I think it'll be quite warm. So I've got this GoPro 8 I'm filming this one on today. I haven't got the Canon out, and unfortunately that's in the bag, because I've got the GoPro light as well, so hopefully you can see me with that, which I'm pretty sure you can. And shower set up, and dudes are over in the corner. See him hiding down there? Look back, man. So I'll take you around and show you the other campsites and the crew. This is Ben set up, Ben and Tash. Trailer, his awning, a couple of swags. So that's their setup. He's got everything going on there, toilet over there.
He's doing his little film.
And my camp lights, which are actually really good for the midgies. When we go over here, we have Dylan set up. This King's tent.
Yeah, boy.
Danny and Dylan.
It fucking works.
These two sitting there. You all know Big Dylan from the walkthrough we did on his car.
Yeah, boy. Mine's next.
Yes, yours this weekend.
Maybe.
He's got his King's awning, Foxwing awning
line hole.
sitting up.
Yeah, so I'm like.
And then we come over here and we've got Dunes' Prado. That's sitting there. As you can see, it's a little bit muddy. We went for a drive to look for some firewood. You can come around this side. This is out in Dwellingup, toilet tent. And this is Danny and Amanda's set up. So they got the swags. We're pretty much all running swags out here, except for Dylan's little tent that goes onto his car as well. And this is out in Dwellingup in one of our spots. Got the fire going. And then you got the crew sitting around the fire, except for the boys. They're all off drinking. All the kiddies, fire, little Sash, Layla, Ollie over there with his GoPro trying to get photos of the fire. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That's our campsite. We'll come back to you tomorrow with a bit of daylight footage, so you can actually see the campsite in daylight. So until then, I'm going to go back, have a few more ales, a few more drinks, party on a little bit, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Cheers. Good morning, guys. Rob here. Diane's over by the fire having a coffee. I'm about to do breakfast. Daylight. I've just done some footage of the campsite, which I'll put up just after this bit. Yeah, so second day out here. We had a few drinks and everything yesterday, just didn't get much footage till night time, which the light had to actually work quite well. This GoPro setup, the GoPro 8 with the media station and the 360 lume light, brilliant buy. I think most of our footage this weekend is going to be on this one. Doesn't matter which way you hold it, I'll definitely do a review on this GoPro 8 for you guys when I get home. See how the footage turns out, see what it looks like. I'm impressed with it right now. So at the moment, we're going to cook up some breakfast. And what we're having for breakfast this morning? Waffles and cream. And we're going to cook it on that little toaster. So yeah, we'll come back to you shortly after we've had some breakfast. I'm going to get my cameras out, set up some cameras, get some really nice photos of this area out here in the river, which you'll see in this little next bit. And yeah, hopefully we'll get some more footage for you today and see how we go. Cheers, guys. We'll come back to you after some brekkie. Oh, it should be a nice day for photos. Now you can see the campsite better.
Why did the sun come out?
There's Ben, Ash, Hunter, cooking breakfast. Just gotta go, didn't I? This is where we are out in Dwellingup, one of our spots that we come out to. The river doesn't look very clean, but still, we're right on the river. Which I'm going to try and get some photos of later on. There's a little gap down there I want to get some photos of. It's a bit misty. Did have a bit of rain this morning, but got the river all the way along it. This is our campsite. Big Dylan cooking his breakfast.
Put some bacon's on.
Which we do got to do another walk around on that car.
Yeah.
She's had an upgrade.
Yep.
Little Tyler. Yeah.
My name is. No, it's just
The mob.
like.
It's the mob. Say hi. There's Diane. I told you she was over here drinking coffee. And the big band Dunes
Hello.
cooking his breakfast. This is, you can see it a lot better now than it did under the light, even though that light worked quite well. It's our campsite, all the way along the river, down here. Toilet tent, got to have a toilet tent. You can hear that photos of these birds and everything that's out here, and I'll pop them up for you. Got a scouts group just camping over there in the corner. Things crawling on me. So here's the bit of a flowing rapid. Not really a rapid, but you know. I'm going to come down here with my camera and get some photos on this bridge later on. Yeah, this is Dwellingup about an hour and a half away from our place, south of Perth. Look at that, guys, it's unbelievable. I'm going to take you over this side and show you what it goes to. This later on. I'm coming off of Murray Road, Nanga Road, left on the Murray Road, and then yeah, it just comes down the track to the just before the bridge. There's an entrance, and we are coming off of there. It's nice and peaceful out here as well, and it's actually turned out not too bad. We had a really clear night last night considering no forecast rain. It was nice. A little bit of rain this morning, but sun's shining in some spots. Should be a good photograph day after we make some breakfast and do a run into town for some supplies that I've forgotten. Yes, I've forgotten. That's it. There's a big open space campsite.
Don't need the coast or a snowy mountain road to be in paradise. Don't need diamonds or gold or the pictures we've been sold. Paradise, it's a simple state of mind. It's the people by your side, but only you can find paradise. There's beauty to be found in the quiet.